If you're a fan of celebrity homes, then today's video is definitely for you. John Travolta is known for his love of flying, and his house does not fall short of showing it. The actor with several planes and net worth of $250 million is the proud owner of an airport mansion in Florida. In this video, we will see how incredible their home is, the jaw-dropping planes parked in his hangar. The residence of John Travolta in Florida is situated on the grounds of Jumbo Air Airport, not far from the town of Ocala. The entire region is 550 acres in size, which can fit 5 Vatican cities, which is roughly 110 acres. The average price of an acre land in Florida in 2019 was $28,961. This, however, accounts for the wide variation in land prices across the country, from the highs of Miami to the lows of the countryside. At this rate of return, the land near the Jumbo Air Airport is worth about $16 million on average. The proximity to a private airport is the main selling factor of this exclusive gated community. The main runway is paved and illuminated for use, and at 7,550 feet in length, it is the longest private runway in the United States. It's big enough for Boeing 737s and other similarly sized jets. All of the 38 lots are fly-in only. The residents can reach the main airport via connecting taxiways. In 1980, the property was a ranch owned by Muriel Vanderbilt, a socialite and horse enthusiast. Then along came fitness empire builder Arthur Jones, who bought the land. Soon, he began remodeling the mansion to reflect his passion for flying. It has been estimated that $6 million was spent on the construction of that enormous airstrip. In 1984, the land was designated as a sanctuary for African animals. It was once inhabited by a wide variety of animals, including crocodiles, gorillas, and elephants. In 1989, Arthur Jones and his wife Terry separated. After that, she got to work transforming the manor into the modern-day aerial settlement that it is today. In 2019, it was reported that the entire neighborhood was put up for sale, along with the 550 acres. Muriel Vanderbilt's custom-built residence of 7,686 square feet was included in the sale. It has a workout center with authentic Nautilus machines and a swimming pool. In addition to the 90,000 square feet of warehouse space, the sale also includes an 8,735 square foot conference center or banquet hall with seating for 400 persons. In addition, 30 residential properties generate income and 17 available estate lots with runway access. The initial asking price for all of this was $10,500,000. In 2001, Travolta was one of the first buyers at the Jumbo Air Airport estate, where he lived with his late wife Kelly Preston. Travolta spent 8 years hunting for a location that could accommodate his jets. The land they settled on was about 9.5 acres. According to reports, they spent a total of $3.5 million on this at that time. Adjusted for inflation, that comes to almost $5.2 million now. Soon after, Travolta and Preston began construction on a home that would eventually measure 8,900 square feet. Then, Travolta ordered an extension of the taxiway to his house. Both ends of the taxiway lead to plane parking areas located at different corners of the site. It was always John's dream to have planes in his front yard to practically be able to pull up to the house, so when you wanted to go to dinner, all you had to do was step out the door, get on a plane, and whisk off. Preston said in a 2004 story with Architectural Digest. The property is mostly made up of concrete and glass so that the owners can see their parked planes from everywhere in the house. There are a total of 6 bedrooms and 2 kitchens in the home. There's the serious cooking kitchen and the casual easy-to-make dishes kitchen. The 3 dining spaces are situated around the kitchens. It took 2 years to build the house that architect Dana Smith designed. The backyard features an in-ground pool featuring a hot tub. Professional estimate that incorporating a hot tub into the pool design will increase the total cost by $10,000. A cabana is available for adults beside the pool, since Travolta planned to use it as a dance floor. A sizable section can be made available for that purpose. A bar with seats is also available. Even though Travolta calls it a cabana, it might just as easily be a pool house given that it has permanent walls. The average cost of constructing a pool house is around $180,000, while a cabana can cost as little as $5,000. According to rumors, there's even a golf course at the home, and even miniature courses may run as much as $10,000 for each hole. The driveway may also accommodate up to 16 automobiles. Enough with the house talk, and let's move to the planes in his hangar. The Grease star has many planes, including a Bombardier Challenger 601. In 2011, he made public his acquisition of this plane. This was his 11th plane at the time. The same year, Travolta signed on as an ambassador for the Canadian aerospace company Bombardier. When asked by Business Jet Traveler what drew him to this particular aircraft, Travolta said, "It uses Canada Air technology, which has evolved to an extraordinary degree since the 1970s. He also mentioned that the plane's cabin comfort is a priority for him because of how often he travels with his family. It has been reported that the price of a new Bombardier Challenger 601 can reach $21.4 million. Some charter sites report hourly rates as high as $6,800 for the 601. One of Travolta's best-known plane was the Gulfstream II. It gained widespread attention after a near-catastrophic disaster over 30 years ago. In 1992, Travolta was flying the plane from Florida to Maine at 400 miles per hour at night when calamity struck above Washington at an altitude of 12,000 feet. There was a total electrical failure on the Gulfstream II, and the radio stopped operating. While Travolta struggled to maintain control of the plane, he received no assistance from air traffic control. When air traffic control asked a nearby commercial plane, carrying 182 people to look for the crashing plane, the two aircraft were separated by barely 2 miles. Travolta safely landed the plane and no one was hurt. The Gulfstream II was approximately $5 million in value at that time. The legendary Gulfstream was donated to the Georgia Aviation Hall of Fame by Travolta in 2012. Travolta did this to honor his late son Jed, who passed away in 2009. Another plane that Travolta dedicated to his children was his Boeing 707-138B. Travolta purchased this aircraft and had it customized to his specifications, including adding a bedroom, a dining area, and a lounge. The exterior features a striking blue and gold paint scheme with his initials JT on the tail. The aircraft is often referred to as Jet Clipper Ella, named after his children, Jet and Ella. We hope you enjoyed getting an inside look at one of the most extravagant celebrity homes in Hollywood. From the stunning decor to the state-of-the-art amenities, this property truly embodies the luxurious lifestyle that so many of us dream of. And with its private runway, it's a dream home for aviation enthusiasts as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tours of celebrity homes and other amazing properties.